In this video, we are going to talk about which foods that we humans usually eat, we can give to our cat, because you already know that the cat, especially at the time we are eating, is always there around, turning around, asking us, and one always has the doubt of what we are eating, if he can give it or not. Well, this is what the video is about, to give you a list of which foods that you will surely eat almost every day, you can give to your cat with all security. Okay, well, don't bother me anymore, and here I tell you. First of all, you can give him part of your meat, chicken, beef, turkey. Be careful, try if you give him meat that is not seasoned, nor is it salty, nor with the sauces that we sometimes put on the meat and so on. It can be more or less done, we are not going to get in here. But try not to take bone, the meat you give him. Raw bone is relatively, it could be given, nothing happens. But cooked bone, on the other hand, is tremendously dangerous for cats, just like for dogs. If you swallow it, it can easily puncture the cat's intestine. Secondly, obviously, you can also give him part of your fish. I repeat what I said before, without salt, etc., etc. And highly recommended, try to remove as many thorns as possible. The fact that cats eat thorns is not true. In fact, they are even the cause of many accidents when eating cats. Human food, they eat it, swallow the thorn, it gets stuck, and here we have a problem. From the outset, it is always more advisable to eat white fish than blue fish. You know, cod and others without problems, sardines and sandfish, etc. They like it a lot, but it is not convenient to abuse the excess fat they have. You can also give them stuffed, but as long as they are stuffed, low in salt, cooked ham, etc., that have very little salt content. And if possible, also do not take a lot of potatoes, because you know that many York hams and many stuffed ones are added potato starch to reduce the cost. Then they are dyed with paprika, and it seems that this is a wonder. No, it is not convenient. Cats can eat potatoes, but in excess. It is a product that can give them continuously, it could give us some type of diabetes. Stuffed, yes, low in salt, low in fat, and if possible, with a low percentage or no percentage of potato starch. Then we can also give part of our vegetables. Celery, spinach, carrots, beetroot. It is not usually something they like a lot, it is not usually something they ask for or demand. Although then you find more and more cats for everything. But it could be given without problem. As for the fruits, the fruit is something that would be convenient not to give, because they have many levels of sugar, within which they can be given, and that they like. There is the peach, there is the watermelon, and there is the melon. Be careful, never abuse these fruits. They can be given 10 to 15 grams, no problem. Sporadically, as a reward, especially on very hot days, because it helps us to hydrate them, but it is not the most recommended thing to say. Can they be given natural yogurt? Well, yes, they can be given, but with the precaution that they are, if possible, lactose-free. It seems a lie, but cats, increasingly, for possibly living with humans, are developing or have already developed lactose intolerance to the sugar present in the milk. And it may happen that the cat generates, after we give a little of our yogurt, some type of diarrhea. Try it first, so you will know if it is intolerant or not, and if you can give it or not with greater security. Can they be given eggs? Yes, they can be given eggs, but with the precaution that they are always cooked eggs. You know that we have spoken in other videos that in the raw egg there is a protein, the avidin, which can inhibit the absorption of some vitamins of group B, such as the biotin. The biotin can be altered, yes, continuously. If you give it a little fried egg from time to time, nothing will happen. But if they ate a lot of raw egg, a lot of uncooked egg, it could be problematic. Instead, this with the hard egg will not happen. And also be very careful with cereals. The cat does not have a specially designed digestive system to take the cereals that we take. In fact, in cat food, the fact that some cereal is added is a low-quality indicator of the product, because sooner or later it generates some type of diarrhea. Be careful, not all cereals. The exception, as we always say, is rice, which is a cereal that we traditionally use to recover the animals from some diarrheal process. Everything else is something that can generate some type of diarrhea. And finally, I know it is a temptation to give them some of the sweets that we usually have for dessert, with coffee and others. You can give them a little, yes, but not every day. And if the cat asks for it continuously, obviously suspend it, because it can generate some type of diabetes. But from time to time, a portion of some sweet would not be much of a problem. Okay, well, nothing else. Thank you very much, and see you in the next videos. Take good care of yourselves. Bye.